Now I want to show you how texture mapping on primitives works. Now I'm using this science fiction material that has these nice big details so we can easily see how the texture is aligned. And when this texture lock setting is enabled up here in the tools menu, if I move the object around, then the texture mapping will move to match the object's orientation. If I go up here to Tools and disable Texture Lock, then when I move the object, the texture mapping will stay in place. I can select the Face tool and then select this face here. And you can see we have these properties up here that will control how the texture is aligned. And we can use that to adjust and get it exactly where we want it on the surface. We can make it bigger or smaller with the scale values. We can even rotate the texture. Let's just set these back to the default value. And then down here we have these texture alignment buttons. And this will align the texture to an edge. There's the left edge, the right edge, the top, the bottom. This button will move the texture to the center. And then this last button will stretch the texture over the selected face. Now this last checkbox over here that says Unify Faces, I need two objects to demonstrate this. So I'm just going to copy this and put another one right next to it. And then I'll select both of these faces. I'll check the Unify Faces checkbox, and then we'll stretch the texture over both faces. And this treats them as if they are one, just a single face. If I uncheck that box and I press that button, then it will adjust the texture mapping for each face individually.